Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jitendra Tripathi. Today I am going to explain next part of this chapter. That is N plus L rule. Student, this rule based on above principle. So revise the above principle. According to above principle, electron first filled in lower energy, then after in higher energy. So this rule contains two rules. First one is the, if you having two orbital, two subcell, then you have to decide which one is filled first, which one is filled second. Let's take an example. Orbital having least value of N plus L filled first. Okay? Orbital having least value of N plus L filled first. So here we decide. Example, that is 2s and 2p. Okay, 2 and 2p. Calculate N for this one is 2. L electron enter in S subcell, so value of L is 0 and value of N plus L is 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Now here value of N is 2, value of L for p orbital is 1 and N plus L 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So for these two orbital, value of N plus L is 2, least for 2s. Hence 2s orbital filled first. After that 2p. Okay. So this one is a rule 1. Take one more example. Here is the 3p and 3d. Okay, N is 3, L is 1, so N plus L is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Here N is 3, L is 2, N plus L is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So least value is 4. So student, hence 3p orbital filled first. Okay? Are you got it? Now second rule in N plus L rule. Second rule, if two orbital having same value of N plus L, then orbital having least value of N filled first. Filled first means if two orbital, for those value of n plus L is same, then how will you decide which orbital filled first and which orbital filled next? So take example, that is (4s) and 3p. Okay, so n for this one is 4, L is 0, the value of n plus L is 4, plus 0 equal to 4. Now for 3p, n is 3, L is 1 and n plus L is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. These two orbital having same value of n plus L. Then how will you decide which orbital fills first and which orbital fills next? So for this one, such type of problem, the orbital having least value of n. Hence, here least value of n is 3 and value of n is 4. So which one fill first? 3p. Hence 3p orbital filled first due to least value of n plus L. Okay. So in above principle, statement is that orbital having least energy are filled first, or means orbital are filling of electron takes place in increasing order of energy. So above principle also based on n plus L rule. First of all, you have to decide the value of n plus L with these two rules. Then you select the electron which orbital takes filled first. Okay. So student, this is all about this chapter. In previous lecture, I am also discussing the magnetic character and number of unpaired electron. Here n plus L rule, quantum numbers, above principle, Pauli exclusion principle, Hund's rule. So these are all the things are important. De Broglie relationship, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So for next coming exam, you must be prepare all these things very clearly. I think most of the question based on in such topic, so you have to get good marks in the test. So best of luck for the next coming exam. This is all about this chapter. Okay, over and out.